everybody. Hope you are all doing well. Hope everything is going good. Long time no see. Anyways, I'm excited. I just picked up a new piece of gear and I'm going to unbox it. It's MPC One by Akai. Akai Professional MPC One. When I was younger, I used to make beats in the 90s, long time ago. Mid-90s I started, I guess. Early mid-90s. Anyways, I was signed to a label. Long story short, I was signed to one of my horrible label deals. We were signed to a label up in LA, and they bought us an Ensoniq sampler, and it was brilliant. And I can't remember which model it was. It wasn't... Anyways, it was an Ensoniq sampler, and we used to make beats on that and that kind of thing. Then eventually I have it over here, Ensoniq ASR10, that kind of died on me about 8 years ago or something, that I kind of stopped using, and I moved on from making beats, moving into more like playing music and learning about music theory, and now I'm a music teacher. But I just wanted to get some kind of sampler again, so I bought this. I'm very excited. I can't wait to use it. There were Akai MPCs when I was younger. Back in the 90s, I believe they had them. I had friends that had them, but I never used one. I never owned one. So anyways, let's check out and see what's in the box. Alright, so here it is. Sorry about the light. But check this out. It's nice. It's this nice small size. I totally dig it. It's got these pads. Let's see. The pads on here. They feel very nice. The buttons. Solid. Brilliant. Knobs. Quality. It feels good. I'm looking forward to making some beats with this, and adding a different kind of flavor to my music, and just seeing what we could do. As you can see down here, I have this aux box right here. I didn't do an unboxing of that. It's aux box, and you can see I have it hooked up to my one of my amps here. It's a Vox. I have a Vox hooked up to an aux box, and that's a Vox AC30 with greenback speakers, although we don't use the speakers because we're using the aux box to go into the computer. But looking forward to using this, and I'll make some beats. Maybe I'll put them up. I'm definitely going to put out an album of some beats. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're having a nice summer. I hope everything's going well for you. And take care, and I will see you next time. All right. Peace.